children, welcome to all once again. I am Mrs. Rani Sheikh from NCMS Jhabua. Today we are going to discuss our 17th chapter from grammar book. The name of your chapter, agreement of subject and verb. So let's begin the chapter. Subject verb agreement. So children, what is subject verb agreement? In a sentence, the verb must always agree with the subject in number and person. If the subject is singular, the verb must also be singular. If the subject is plural, the verb must also be plural. This is known as subject verb agreement. So children, what is subject verb agreement? If the subject is singular, then the verb will be singular. If the subject is plural, then the verb will be plural. So let's example. The road is too rough and uneven. So you can see here we talk about the road, which is singular subject. The road is singular subject, then we use is, which is singular verb. Then the road is too rough and uneven. According to the definition, the roads are too rough and uneven. So what are the road? The roads are plural subject. It means more than one road. The roads are plural subject. So we can use our plural verb. The roads are too rough and uneven. So children, some rules are given here. Rules of subject verb agreement. Two nouns or pronouns joined by and form a plural subject and take a plural verb. Example, Mohan and Shyam. What is this? This is the name of a person. It means singular subject. Mohan is singular subject and Shyam also, but here two names are given. So Mohan and Shyam is a plural subject. So we can use are, which is plural verb. Mohan and Shyam are in the class. According to the definition, my friends and I go the beach every Sunday. So you can see two nouns or pronouns joined by and form a plural subject and take a plural verb. So what is here? Are is a plural verb and go is a plural verb. Now second rules. We use a singular verb with a collective noun when the collection is taken as a single unit. So according to the definition, what is collective noun? Collection means group of people, group of things, group of person. For example, our team. Our team has won the match. A herd of cows is crossing the road. So children, you can see our team is player. It means single unit. More than one player. It is called our team. Has, which is singular verb. So our team is a collective noun. We use has as a singular verb. Won the match. A herd of cows. It means a herd of cow is a collective noun, which is group of cow, which is called herd. A herd of cows is a singular subject. Then we use is, singular verb. According to definition, if the subject is singular, then the verb will be singular. If the subject is plural, then the verb will be plural. Now rules number third. We use a plural verb with a collective noun when we think of its members as individual. Example, the jury were divided in their opinion. So what is the jury? Group of members. Were is a plural verb. So the jury is a plural subject, then we use plural verb according to the definition. If the subject is plural, then the verb will be used plural. Now fourth rules, the names of subjects take a singular verb even though some of them have end with s. So example here, physics. So what is physics? Physics is the name of a subject. It's end with s. You can see physics end with s. So children, what is? It is singular subject. We use singular subject which is end with s. Then we use singular verb. So according to definition, physics is an interesting subject because physics is the name of a subject. Second, mathematics. Mathematics end with s. So children, we use a singular verb even the names of subject. Mathematics is a singular subject, so we use singular verb. According to definition, if the subject is singular, then we will use singular verb. Mathematics is too difficult for me. Now rules number 5. The titles of books and names of countries always take singular verbs even they sound plural. I repeat this definition, I repeat this rule. The titles of books and names of countries always take singular verbs even when they sound plural. So you can see in this example, Beauty and the Beast. What is this? They sound, Beauty and the Beast sound plural, but it is singular, which is the titles of books. It is singular subject. Then we use singular verb, which is. So you can see Beauty and the Beast is an interesting story. The United States, the names of countries. So children, according to this rule, the titles of books and name of countries always take singular verb even they sound plural. So you can see the United States is a subject, singular subject, then we use singular verb. The United States is a powerful country. Now we will do exercise, fill in the blanks with is, am, are. First, Shobha and Jayanti. So you can see here two subjects are here, Shobha and Jayanti. It means more than one name. So you can see plural subject. According to the definition, we use plural subject with plural verb. So what is plural verb here? Are. So Shobha and Jayanti are neighbors. Second, I am afraid of storm. So you can see am always used with I. So what is I? I is the subject. Am is a verb. I am afraid of storm. Now third, it is a good idea to meet in the evening. So what is it? It is a singular subject. We use singular subject. If the subject is single, then the verb will be singular. So what is this? Is a singular verb. Fourth, Deepa is Meenu's sister. So what is Deepa? Deepa is a subject. So it is singular subject, then we will use singular verb. Now next, this armchair is for sale. So what is armchair? Singular subject. If the subject is singular, then the verb will be singular. Question number 2, fill in the blanks with was or were. Radha and Ruby. So what is this Radha and Ruby? Radha and Ruby are plural subject. Then we will use were, which is plural verb. Radha and Ruby were in Delhi last year. History. History is the name of a book, which is singular subject. Then we use was. According to definition, in the subject is singular, then the verb will be singular. History was his favorite subject in school until he found that he liked English more. Third, a flock of sheep. Collection of sheep. Collection of animal, that is flock of sheep. It is one unit, that's why we use singular verb, which is was. A flock of sheep was crossing the road. In those days, I was very busy. The buildings, you can see buildings, it is more than one building. So you can see the subject is plural, then the verb will be plural, which is were. So the buildings were very old. So children, I hope you understood subject verb agreement and its rule very well. Thank you.